Today we're talking organizing. I am sharing tips and a really useful product that's going to help you organize your Cricut materials and accessories in a small space. Let's get into it. Hey there, I'm Sarah. You're watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple craft projects and tips and reviews of products that are going to help you get the most out of your crafting journey. Today we're talking organizing. I have shared all kinds of organizing videos with you, including a complete tour of my craft room that you can find up above. I've also recently shared an organizing cart that is ideal for a maker or explore machine and can fit a ton of materials and accessories on it. Today we are focused on small space organizing, and I have the perfect craft storage cart for you. This craft storage cart by Cricut is brand new. It just came out and it's ideal for a small space. It is nice and sturdy. It came in a flat pack box, really easy to put together. I was done in about 45 minutes. The overall dimensions of this cart are about 24 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and about 30 inches tall. This cart is on wheels and the front two lock, which means I can easily slide it into place and lock it when I need to. That makes for a really sturdy surface to work on. But I can also move it around wherever I need to craft. The top shelf holds one of your large machines like a Maker or Explorer. It's also great for a smaller machine like a Joy or a Joy Extra that gives you room for the machine and then some other items that you're working on. There is a shelf down below that I have a few storage boxes on. In these boxes, I actually have scraps of vinyl and iron-on. Always save your scraps. You're going to be able to use those for future projects. Next to that, I have my Easy Press Mini and a little jar for pens that I like to use with my Cricut. This middle shelf can be used for a lot of different things. I really like the idea of using bins or storage containers on here to store all of your tools and accessories that you might need for your machine. Think about different blades, pens, a foiling tool, a scoring stylus, something like that. If you work with flat materials like cardstock or sheets of vinyl, you can store those in a container on that shelf as well. Now over on the sides of this cart, you have 8 hooks that are coming off the bottom of that top shelf. So on one side, I'm only using one of the hooks and I have my mats hanging here. On the other side, I am using the hooks to hold my most popular tools. So I have my weeding tool, my scraper, a scissors, a scoring stylus, and a spatula tool. Any tool that has the little hole in the top is going to work on these hooks. And thankfully most Cricut tools do have those holes in them. Now let's look at the bottom. This is the best part. You can stock up on those rolls of vinyl and iron-on whenever they are on sale, and you can hold a ton of rolls here, up to 30 rolls. So I'm using this to store some of my favorite vinyl and iron-on materials here. This is a really simple storage cart. It is going to hold your essentials, your machine, a small heat press, a few tools, and a bunch of material. It's also got a place to store your mat, and it is sturdy enough that you can work right on here. So you don't necessarily need a large crafting table to use this cart. If you have a small space, maybe a dorm room or an apartment or just a small space in your home and you want to tuck your Cricut away, I highly recommend getting a cart that's portable, just like this. Roll it in and out of the room that you're using. You can cut right on the cart and then maybe use your dining table or your kitchen counter to assemble your project. If you think this cart might work for you, you can take a look down in the description. This is sold on Amazon. It just came out. It is available for you right now. So go follow that link and you can learn more about this cart. If you're looking for more inspiration for organizing your Cricut and crafts, take a look at the videos down in the description where I share all my best organizing tips. If you like this video, if you found it useful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with brand new videos sharing simple crafts, reviews, and tips to help you in your crafting journey. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.